Okay, today I'm going to teach you one of the many strategies that I'm going to teach you about multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. Today we're going to talk about partial products. So I want you to go ahead and look at this problem that I'm going to do really quick. This one's going to be a review. So this is going to be 47 times 3, okay? So we know how to solve this problem using partial products. We know that we can put this into expanded form of 40 plus 7, and we can go ahead then and either use the area model with it and do 40 times 7 and 3. And do 4 times 3 gives me 12, tack on a 0, or we can do 3 times 7 gives me, and then we can do 3 times 7 is 21, add it together and get 141. We also know we can just and then we'll have it like that. So 141. Now let me show you the next step. So if we decide that we want to use partial products, we can go ahead and do it like this also with numbers that are 2-digit by 2-digit problems. So I can go ahead and I can take the problem 27 times 12. So I'm going to use partial products. The only thing that's different is this time I am putting both numbers into expanded form. Okay, so I'm drawing a rectangle again. So I'm drawing an area model. And this time I'm splitting my rectangle into 4 parts. The 20 and the 7 are going to get this side, and the 10 and the 2 are going to get this side. So 20, 7, 10, 2. The 27 is on this side, the 12 is on this side. Okay, then I'm going to multiply so that each box has something in it. So 2 times 20 times 10. 2 times 1 gives me 2. I'm tacking on 2 zeros. All right, 7 times 10, I know that's 70. 20 times 2, I know that's 40. 7 times 2, that's 14. So now I have 4 numbers to add together. 200 plus 70 plus 40 plus 14. 4, that would be 11, 12, 324. So the answer to 27 times 12 is 324. Okay, all I did was put both numbers into expanded form, drew an area model. 20 times 10 gives me 200. 7 times 10 gives me 70. 20 times 2 gives me 40. And 7 times 2 gives me 14. And I add all of them together. That's all I have to do. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try this problem for me. 38 times 24. Go ahead and try to solve this using the partial products. All right, here is what we are going to do first. We are going to put both numbers into expanded form. So 38 turns into 30 plus 8, and 24 turns into 20 plus 4. All right, I'm drawing my area model. I'm breaking it into 4 parts. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the 38 here. So 30 and 8, and the 24 up here, 20 and 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve the problem for each box and then add them up. So 30 times 20, 3 times 2 gives me 6, tack on 2 zeros. 8 times 20, 8 times 2 is 16, tack on 1 0. 30 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12. I tack on a 0. 8 times 4 is 32. Add all the numbers together. Two, 8 plus 3 more gives me 11. 9, 912. Okay? So that's all I'm doing. I'm just putting both numbers into expanded form, giving one number one side, one number the other side of the rectangle, and just multiplying all 4 of those numbers and then adding them. Okay, let's do one more example. All right, let's go ahead and do 35 times 24. Go ahead and solve that one on your own. All right, so first things first, put both numbers into expanded form. Okay, make my area model. I have 30 and 5 on this side and 20 and 4 here. Next, I'm going to multiply. 3 times 2 gives me 6, tack on 2 zeros. 5 times 20, 5 times 2 is 10, tack on a 0. 30 times 4 gives me 120. 5 times 4 gives me 20. Stacking, stacking, stacking. 0, 4, 8. 840. All right, I have one more quick problem for you. And it is the office building is 48 floors high. Each floor has 36 windows. How many windows does the building have in all? All right, the office building is 48 floors high. Each floor has 36 windows. How many windows does the building have in all? Go ahead and take a second and solve that on your own. Okay, we know that we have 48 floors and each have 36 windows, so we need to solve that. That gives me 40 plus 8 and 30 plus 6. Drawing my area model. As I've broken it into partial products, I've got 40 and 8, 30 and 6. 4 times 3 gives me 12, tack on 2 zeros. 8 times 3 gives me 24, tack on 1 0. 4 times 6 gives me 24, tack on 1 0. 8 times 6 gives me 48. Add. Sorry, just checking my math really quick. Okay. 8, 12, and 7, 1,728 windows.